church celebrates the feasts of the dedication of the basilicas of Saints Peter and Paul. The first memorial oratory to be erected over Saint Peter's tomb at the foot of the Vatican Hill in Rome was the work of Pope Saint Anacletus. Here, the first pope's remains have reposed ever since, except for a short period in the year 258 when they were concealed in the catacombs of Saint Sebastian for the sake of protection from desecration during the Valerian persecution. Constantine the Great had a magnificent basilica constructed over the tomb in the year 319. Numerous restorations later, it threatened to collapse when it was ordered razed and reconstructed by Pope Julius II, who blessed the foundation stone on the 18th of April 1506. The present structure, the world's greatest and richest church, built from the designs of Bramante and Michelangelo with a capacity of 50,000 worshippers, was solemnly consecrated by Pope Urban VIII on the 18th of November 1626. In the year 103, Pope Anacletus built an oratory over the tomb of Saint Paul near the Abbazia della Tre Fontane on the Ostian Way, where Paul is believed to have been beheaded or buried. Such chapels were respected as inviolable under Roman law. In the year 324, Constantine the Great transformed the oratory into a beautiful basilica. In the year 385, a larger edifice, over 400 feet in length, took its place. Situated outside the walls, this so-called Theodosian Basilica fell victim to plunder in the year 739. It was, however, intermittently restored and embellished between the year 1500 and 1700 and endured until the year 1823 when a great fire destroyed it. The new St. Paul's, which has maintained the ancient dimensions and was consecrated by Pope Pius IX in 1854, 2 days after the proclamation of the dogma of the Immaculate Conception, is possibly even more magnificent and devotionally awe-inspiring than the enormous Vatican Basilica of St. Peter's.